guys.
Hi guys, I'm Lola.
I'm Milan, and we are watching The 100.
We're very excited for this episode, like every episode. I think we just think we're excited for this episode, every fucking episode, because we are. Like on one side we have Arcadia and Kane and Bellamy, which I'm very excited because I love their relationship and it's one of my favorites of the show. So I'm looking forward to seeing that. And on the other side we have the Lab and Abby and Clark. And Murphy and Luna and Raven.
Yeah. And on the other side, Octavia and Ilian.
Yes, on the other side, Octavia and Ilian, which is
So,
also gonna be very interesting.
Yes.
Considering she tried to kill him in the previous one. And the Black Crane is here, so that's fun.
Yeah.
Odmah krećemo sa njima. Ne?
Da, ne?
Da. Nisam ga
A
zbog
zašto
konja.
s ovakvom facom jebote?
Da je sigurno biti
Ona
srećna.
mogu da-
O moj Bože. Ali on stvarno kod hoće da umre čovjek. Black Crane, Black Crane. Je loša sam uviđena što
O
napokon
Bože,
pada
Bože,
to
stani.
ne krša. Ja sam kompletni 100% omrživu.
Mi tu. On se radi dažo pred celu tješu.
Pa naravno, kada će drugo, čovjek ne može 5 minuta mira. Da saznam da Octavia nije tu i da
Joj,
ti
Bože,
kiš, pa
sad.
fenomenalno.
A šta mi nije jasno? Pogledajte žuto nebo, mislim.
Gdje se stara Jewel, kome bi više poverovao? Posle 500 puta, Black Crane. Ljubavi. Naravno da je Peter prodaje Octavia. Ovo džubre!
Ti majku, sad i treba padneš. Ona skraćem pomoći, ne biće se.
Da, ali... Ja ne, ovaj dečko mire.
Ne biće se, ona se ne biće pomoći. Ej, ljudi!
Pa naravno ćeš ti izaći!
O moj Bože. O moj Bože.
Da, dalje! O, jedan život.
Ja,
Kako ti pošao?
moja faca. Da li je stvarno?
Ja sam zapovedala, jedio ti mater, Bela mi ulazi unutra.
Ubiću te, bukvalno ću te ubiti, jebote.
Moje zdravlje zavisi od tvog zdravlja, nemoj to da nam radiš. Ja želim da budem ta osoba. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. Oh, they're definitely gonna talk.
Putita stvar.
Je neko skenirao Abby mozak? E pa ja imam mater, plažem se za Abby.
It's really you. I just needed to see my mom.
Oh ne.
We can inject ourselves with her bone marrow. And we become Nightbloods. Will it work? I think so. Then why'd you take it off the table? Because the only way to know if it works is to test it. And that would mean exposing someone to radiation.
Oh, šta radiš? Celo ti
Anyone else accounted for? Out of the way. Some dude was one of the 100. I'm doing this.
Ja prviče plačem.
Ja vidim ono
Jer on ti rekao ti sam da bude samo za onda. O Bože, Bela. Nazad, vraći se unutra, ne pokušaj me, molim te, vraći se unutra momentalno.
Ej, već ti nije dobro. Bukvalno turn around.
Bela mi si me Boga.
Bela
mi, molim te.
Stvarno, ne zajeba. Bela mi je dođe.
We'll get through this.
Ma dai! Srce moje, znači! You cook! He cooks!
You can read.
I know you're thinking, Clark. Why are all the good ones taken, right?
Ah!
Good Ramsey is rare.
Bellamy's not
He's
taken.
celebrated by any clan. Yeah, he's a real catch.
What the fuck? Ako sad pokrenu neki krevet veliki.
Pred kozonjem. Aaaa! Lezi odmori!
Da spavaš mi
Ja
odmori, nije
da se
normalno.
probudi. Ostite na miru, barem par sata, naravno neće. O moj Bože! The fuck? Ko je ovaj tip?
Njega izbacite na ulicu, napolje.
Njega možemo da žrtvamo, brzo.
Ali...
Bellamy sme Boga. Bellamy, o moj Bože.
Ej, da.
Ja ne zaglavio si, ja naravno se zaglavio. Zašto ne možeš da bude lako u ovoj seriji?
A sad je gotovo, znači te...
If you go into that store, 3 people die.
You're out of options. It's time to let go. You said you'd be here. Where the hell are you?
I can't get to you.
What? No! There's a couple of guys here. Please, I can hear you. You said that you help us, please.
No! No!
He will kill us all.
Jel ne vidiš rješenje?
But I'm not gonna let them.
What made you like this?
Just shut up!
Moram ti, nemoj da kažeš.
Nisam spremna da ti govoriš, zato što je umreći.
I think the person you were before this happened is still in there.
You're wrong.
Octavia! Octavia!
Ali devojka.
Octavia, no!
Ruku se desne.
Just make me feel something else.
I have bad news, Abby. The Black Rain's here.
If I take a life to find a cure, does that make me a murderer?
Yeah, but so what?
Harper?
Umre. Ljubavice.
Hey, Mark, come in. You read me.
Nema nikomu se javlja.
As soon as this rain clears, I'm out of this ditch and I'm on my way. Please tell me that you read me. You did your best. Exiles to protect Dad.
It's not your fault.
I can't protect anyone. I couldn't protect my sister.
Responsibility I felt.
My mom passed out. She was there. She was in my hands.
So helpless.
And now, what is she? Is she even alive? What is she?
You didn't fail, Bellamy. You did everything you could for her. You hold the ground for her. You can't save someone who doesn't want to be saved. Your mother would be proud of the man you've become. I know I am.
You floated my mother.
Gosh, what just happened?
Who you want to be. It's the smallest win.
Да я даже не хотела, не плачу. Oh, this is not gonna be awkward. Yeah, this is awkward.
It's hot.
Yeah.
Što se upravo dešava?
Ne znam, ja se ću da plačem samo.
Get on. I'll take you home.
Sorry. You can't save someone who doesn't want to be saved.
Hvala Bogu! Hvala Bogu!
Me too.
And you can kill him.
Why would I do that?
Marie, who is he?
Someone other than me was going into that oven.
Now that's a survivor's move.
Ovo nisam očekivala.
Ovo je bukvalno preokret ikada, baš ovo nisam očekivala. Okay guys, let's talk a little bit about the episode. I think we should start with Bellamy.
Oh, Bellamy. This was this was heartbreaking on so many levels. I really thought he was gonna save
I
the
really
people. It was because he can't save anyone. He keeps trying to, and he can't win.
Yeah, even when he saves people, it's like
It
bad
was cause.
thing.
It was cause as he saved the people. So I really thought he was gonna be able to save them.
Yeah.
And it's very true to the story that he can't, and I love that. But it's at the same time it's very heartbreaking. That
Yeah.
scene with Kane.
Yeah.
Like I said at the beginning, Kane and Bellamy are like one of my favorite relationships in this show. And that talk when he said, "Your mother would be proud."
Oh, ja sam odmah pomislila na jedan, ali sam odmah.
Exactly. The when in 1/8 day trip
Yeah.
when he told Clark, my mother, if she knew what I've done, what I've become.
Oh.
She taught me to be I can quote it. I can quote it, but I'm not going there.
People.
I'm a monster. And he said, your mother will be proud. Bellamy's look when he said, you floated my mother.
Ja sam taj deo uopšte zaboravila. Valjda što to nismo gledali, kapiraš, što to nije bitan deo priče, nekako nisam imala utisak da je zapravo bitan deo njihovih života.
Also, going back to the beginning of the Bellamy arc of this episode, when he was going to save those guys, and he just said his son was one of the 100.
Čovječe, su mi se odmah zasuzile, Bože. Iste sekunde.
When he came back. And said you can't save someone who can't.
Konačno! Finally! Finally!
Because it's literally from season 1 he was...
Prve epizode, od prve scene on skače na zemlju, ide na zemlju zbog nje da bi njoj pomogao, mislim. Imaju odnos taj... Konstantno.
And after like fucking 4 seasons, it's just like...
Da, on konačno shvata da...
letting go. Which is so important to his character, I think.
Ja, i to stavim to valjda. Da, ali to je isto tako, to što je sve priča vezano za tebi, stvarno sve, samo, mislim, može da se protumači kao da je priča za sebe.
Yeah, which is horrible.
Ako je pričao za sebe.
No, because, I think it was both. Like, he was letting Octavia go, but by doing that, he was like, you can't save someone who doesn't want to be saved. He was saying, he was saying to Kane that he doesn't also want to be saved. Because, like, at that point, he said enough. He couldn't save those people. He can't save his sister. And I hate when he's in pain, but it makes for a great storyline again. But it's painful to see.
But if Clark would maybe...
Next. Octavia.
I think,
Octavia. Her and Ilian thing,
Nisam mislila da će se to desiti pre epizode, da će se odmah to tako brzo desiti. Nekako sam dobro, ja uvek i očekujem to da će se malo potrajati dok se to zapravo ne desi. Ali kako je krenulo, odmah se vidjela u kom pravcu idem. Baš mi se sviđa stvarno.
I really like her and Ilian's dynamic because I think they have a lot in common. But they kind of deal with it differently. And I think that Ilian can really help her.
Yeah, I think he's the best thing right now.
Yes, definitely. At the end. That scene when she throws the knives or whatever, and oh my god. No, I think that's very important. She fucking went out in the rain to literally kill herself.
Ja nisam stvarno pomislila da će se to ikada desiti, znači, stvarno sam znala da u tom trenutku mrzi sebe i da stvarno da ona misli da je ona mrtva, da ona nije više ona stara osoba koju znamo, mislim, praktično 3 sezone do Lincolna. Ali trenutak kad je ona krenula na kišu, zaista me šokirao. Stvarno nisam očekivala da će se to zaista desiti. Da će ona zaista preći tu granicu da ona stvarno hoće da umre.
I really like how she ended the episode and I'm really excited to see what's gonna happen next now.
Emori. Ljudi.
Emori! What the fuck? I was shocked. I was completely shocked. Because it was completely believable to me that guy was like tortured her or something and she was like... And I was like, yeah, great, we can find an asshole to like put the radiation in him and I'll feel sorry.
Yeah.
And then at the end it's like, what the fuck? So her and Murphy are like fucking perfect together. We don't decide who lives or who dies. 4 seasons later,
I'm sorry, you do. Mori me iskreno baš pozitivno iznenadila, znači stvarno me nikad me nije zanimala.
No, she was only,
Bila je samo, meni tu Murphy
she was always a fine character, but it was like, we didn't see her as an individual character, we kind of saw her with Murphy, and didn't really think about her as a character, just like in that ship with Murphy. So this episode kind of gave us more insight in her.
Baš me oduševila
as her, which is, I think
baš me pozitivno iznenadila i sada su mi tek ona i Murphy toliko mi idu zajedno da... Ali njegovo shvatanje i njegovo oduševljenje kao okej.
He just smiled, like, he was like so proud, like, oh you know, kill that person, great. Also one more thing that was interesting. When Abby said that they can cure them by taking Luna's bone marrow.
Ja to nisam razumela uopšte, mislim ja sam razumela, Bože, nego nisam razumela, mislim kako, nije mi jasno šta oni sad tu rade.
Yeah, I don't know how they would be able to save everyone with just one person's bone marrow.
Kako je rekla
Unless
s
they
bone...
like cure one and then like take both of theirs as bone marrow. Yeah, I don't know.
Kada su spomenuli uopšte bone marrow, ja sam se šokirala, iskreno, brate, baš sam onako pomislila Mount Weather all over again.
Yes, that is a very interesting parallel to Mount Weather, I think. Yeah, I really like that. We're gonna see how that
Da,
goes.
vidjet ćemo kako će se to odviti
Yeah.
zapravo.
I mean, it's not gonna work, let's be honest. It's only episode 7. You're not gonna fix it, but yeah.
Let's
We'll see.
try. Harper?
Yeah,
That was
that was
heartbreaking
like a small part of the episode, but it was very good.
Big for her.
Yeah, it was
really
very yeah.
big for her.
Because she left the guy. We love Harper. She's one of the 100.
We love her. He's one
yeah.
of 100.
We actually love everyone in the show, let's be honest. Who do we not love? I really fucking love this episode.
Yeah, me too. Definitely.
Yeah, it was so good. It was more character driven than like plot driven, I think. Yeah, we were back in the moral gray area.
Of course.
We never left that area, let's be honest. This show
This
is
is the
living in
100.
that area. I think that was enough.
Yeah, me too. Okay, guys.
Thank you for watching this. This was great.
Yeah, and we will see you next week.
Yeah, next week.
And after that,
In a month. Because we have a break. That's a 3-week break.
We don't want to talk about
We're
that.
gonna kill ourselves.
See you guys next week. Bye.
Bye.